This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Tanika Grimes. Welcome home. This home is in amazing and well-maintained condition. 3-bedroom, 2-bath 1979 double-wide mobile home with year-round Florida room under air and indoor laundry. In the all-ages community of Ocala East Villas. Low HOA and U on the land includes water, sewer, trash, yard waste, and recycling pickup, use of pool, clubhouse, workout room, shuffleboard and library. Home features landscaping in front and back of home, workshop and additional storage under carport. Come take a look, drive the community, speak with the neighbors and make it your own. You'll be pleasantly surprised viewing this well-kept community. For more information, review the details.